Having trouble using Hey Siri or Siri with your AirPods on iPhone? Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it if Siri isn't responding through your AirPods. It could be a settings issue, a small glitch in iOS, or a connection problem. Let's try out some simple solutions and get working again. Solution 1. Make sure Hey Siri is enabled on iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit and tap Siri. First, make sure that Allow Siri when locked is turned on. After that, tap on Talk to Siri. Now make sure it's enabled and confirm that Press Side button for Siri is also enabled. Now, if Siri doesn't work after all these being enabled, you may need to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. So turn off Talk to Siri by selecting Off. Then tap on Hey Siri or the other option to turn it back on. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. This refresh often brings Hey Siri back to life. So after this, check if your AirPods are picking up Hey Siri. If not, follow along. Solution 2. Change a few settings. So open your settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Scroll down to microphone and tap on it. Make sure to select automatically switch AirPods. If you have selected to something else, then Siri may not work. After this, go back to the main settings, scroll down and find screen time. In screen time, scroll down again, look for content and privacy restrictions. If it's turned on, select Intelligence and Siri. From here, make sure that the toggle for Siri and dictation is turned on. If it's turned off, then Siri will not work. Now, in case even turning it on did not work for you, then go back and simply turn off content and privacy restrictions altogether. Make sure you're saying Hey Siri clearly and close to your microphone. If you're in a noisy place, Siri might not hear you properly, so try it indoors or somewhere quiet. Hopefully, this helps Siri start working for you. If it's still not working, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out.